the career growth blueprint. Now, these are proven strategies to fast track your career growth and unlock your full potential. What I say right here and now is if you haven't already done so, make sure you click below and subscribe and set your notifications so you get alerts for when these videos are released each week. Now, this video is really intended to walk you through this career growth blueprint because I believe that we all have the potential to achieve everything we want in 2025. The thing that you need is focus. You need intention, and you're going to need persistence. So what does the career growth blueprint look like? Well, let me start by asking these questions. Does this sound like you? You have big goals, big dreams, and big desires, right? You're looking for career growth and advancement. You want financial freedom and stability, not only for you, but for your family. You want to do purposeful work and have a meaningful impact on community. You're looking for confidence and maybe leadership skills. You want that balance of personal and professional life. And again, I'll tell you, it's never exactly going to be a balance, but it should be harmony. You want recognition and validation for the work and the effort that you put in. You want to increase your networking and influence, personally and professionally, so you can advance to become the best version of you. You're looking for continuous learning and skill development, but maybe you're not sure where to get it. And you're really striving for autonomy and independence because you know that you have the ability to make a success of your life. And then lastly, but not least, you're looking for a legacy. You're looking to leave a legacy and long-term success. So does that sound like you? If it does, keep watching. If it doesn't, probably switch off now. Now, what I want to say to you is stop feeling stuck and undervalued. Unlock your career potential in just 90 days. Now, this program helps you to get clarity, confidence, and provide you the tools you need to break through career barriers and secure your next promotion in 2025, even without support from your employer. Now, you may be saying, Chris, how on earth is that possible? Well, here's the 5 steps to success, right? The career growth blueprint, 5 steps to success. Starts with clarity, confidence, contribution, connections, and consistency. So let's walk through each of these. So under clarity, really what we're looking to help you do is create a personalized SMART goal for your next career move. Now, hopefully everybody understands the acronym SMART, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Part of clarity is also about developing a clear, actionable roadmap to achieve your promotion within the next 12 months. Now, once you've got clarity, you need to build confidence. Confidence is leadership development exercises to strengthen your confidence, maybe techniques to overcome self-doubt and silence your inner critic. We all have that inner critic, right? We need to silence that and move forward. So now you've got the clarity, you've got confidence. So what's the contribution you're going to make? Well, the steps to success helps you to learn how to articulate your achievements and advocate for yourself. Something that not all of us are good about doing. I don't like talking about myself. I don't like talking about my own recognition or recognizing my own achievements. That's my job. But part of promotion is you need to be able to sell yourself. Under contribution, we also look at strategies to position yourself as an indispensable asset to your organization. Then you need to make connections. So in the 5 steps to success in the career growth blueprint will provide networking templates and tools to create meaningful professional connections. And then there's guidance on leveraging your network for mentorship, sponsorship, and opportunities. And last but not least, consistency, right? Those behaviors and actions that you do on a consistent daily basis would directly impact your results. And your results multiplied by those behaviors and actions will determine your success level, right? And the success ratio. So through the career growth blueprint, the last step to success is weekly coaching modules with actionable steps to keep you progressing and accountability tools to track progress and ensure follow through. Right? That's the really important thing. So they're the 5 steps to success: clarity, confidence, contribution, connections, and consistency. Now, when you join the program, what are you going to get? You'll get weekly coaching modules with actionable strategies to overcome obstacles and build momentum. You get personalized goal setting frameworks, help you create a smart plan tailored to your career ambitions. There'll be exclusive networking templates, and these are tools to help you build meaningful connections with ease. And then there's leadership development exercises, develop the skills and confidence to stand out as a leader. And finally, accountability and support. What is too small a number for significance, as my mentor John Maxwell says. So you will get access to a supportive community of like-minded professionals. Now, you may be asking, what if I don't have time to complete the program? Well, this program is designed to fit into your busy schedule with weekly action steps that you can complete in just a few hours. You'll also, even though it's a 90-day program, you will have access to this for the next year, so you can work through the program. Will this program work if my employer doesn't support me? Absolutely. This program is specifically designed for ambitious professionals just like you who want to grow independently. You may be asking, what if I don't feel confident for a promotion? Well, this is where I'll tell you you're not alone. That's exactly why this program exists. You'll build the confidence and skills you need to succeed, and then you can move forward to getting that promotion that you desire, or at least getting the next one on the ladder. What's the investment? Well, there is a cost, right? In this beta program, it's just $497. But the real question is, what's the cost to you of staying stuck where you are? Is it the cost more or less than $497? People may ask, why am I charging for this? Well, I'm charging for this really because I want you to pay attention and I want you to follow through and do it. And if you've got some skin in the game, some financial investment, you're more likely to do that. There is a guarantee with this that if after 14 days you don't think it's for you, money back, no questions asked. So another question you might be asking is, why now? Well, here's the truth, right? Waiting another year will not get you closer to your goals. Spots are limited to ensure that every participant gets personalized support from me. And enrollment for the beta program closes on January the 5th. So don't miss your chance to start 2025 with a plan for success. Take the first step toward transforming your career today. I'll also tell you that if you do take the first step and you enroll and you're one of the first to enroll, you will get a 65-page DISC assessment on your communication styles. You will get a personalized one-on-one coaching session with me and access to 24/7 support. So what's in it for you? Well, you're probably feeling stuck, undervalued, and unclear about your career direction. You may be struggling with self-doubt, lack of recognition for your contributions, and you may face limited support for your professional growth. All of these things I've experienced, I've gone through. This is what helped me design this program. My commitment to you is by the end of the 90-day program, you will have transformed into a confident, proactive professional with a clear vision and the skills to strategically advance your goals. You will stand out for your contributions. You'll grow your network of valuable connections and take consistent actions that lead to tangible career growth and opportunities, positioning yourself for a promotion within the next 12 months. So your career transformation starts here. Don't let another year pass by without taking action. Join the 90-day career growth program and make 2025 the year that you step into the career and the life that you deserve. You can register today on my website, standupleaders.com/blueprint. The link will be in the comments below. I'll pin that there. And if you've got any questions, use the comments. If this is not for you at this time, I perfectly understand. Still subscribe. It's free. Follow me so that you can get these tips and tricks. And when you're ready, I'll be here to help you. So thanks for paying attention. Thanks for listening. I look forward to hopefully seeing you in the blueprint and watching your career progression through 2025. Bye for now.